Greetings all my crafty friends, Nana K here with NanaKDesigns.com and the Altered Book Nook on Etsy.com. I'm coming in to bring out, I think this is the last three kit. I think this is the last kit in the Tranquility series that we've done. This is Lavender Tranquility. So I do have these available on Etsy. You can go to the Etsy store and find this particular kit. There's 3 pieces to it. I'm going to go over all 3 kits today with you. It's going to be a short video, so because we're just going to whiz through what's in each kit. And it is, like I say, available on Etsy. So let's go. We have 18 pages. This is the journal page kit. There's 18 pages here. Well, I say 18 pages. There's 18 sheets, 8.5 by 11. Printed borderless, or that is how it's set up on Photoshop, so it will print borderless. Excuse me. You do need to make sure before you buy my kit, if you're going to want it exactly the 8.5 by 11, that you can print borderless. If not, you need to contact me and see if I have any printed kits available. I have printed 1 kit right now, so I do know I have 1 left available. Somebody ordered and has not recontacted me. So there is 1 printed kit available. So you'll need to contact me if you cannot print borderless, and you simply must have the 8.5 by 11 page. Now, if you print borderless, you can cut out and you'll get just a little bit smaller journal, which is not going to hurt anything. And of course, they can be shrunk down even more to make an altered book using the Reader's Digest condensed version hardbacks or any other book. Anyway, they can be resized if you know how to do this on your computer. I have a problem with you resizing them. So let's go with first the journal page kit. We have beautiful flower arrangement here with the lavender flowers and a lantern behind, just kind of a spray of flowers. Then we have a kind of a heart-shaped wreath with a beautiful spray to the side. Of course, our writing desk and our ink pen. This has been real popular. Our herring and our bridge to a garden, or a garden bridge. This is a garden park bench and just kind of a sitting area in the home with a lot of plants. I would love to have me an area with like a chase lounge in it with all these plants around me. I love indoor plants. That's that one. Then we have the oval wreath spray with the 2 side sprays here. Then we have another set of herrings and the cafe. Beautiful lavenders and greens in this kit. A few of the peachy colors, but mostly lavenders and greens. And this goes on. This is just beautiful. I love the colors. I think this is my next one that I'm actually going to put together. We got a sitting room in a house, and then we got another spray on the side. Of course, my absolute favorite is the greenhouse. I love the glass greenhouse. Again, beautiful lavender colors. A beach scene, getting on beach time in my area, water fountain. I am ready for some warm weather, although I'm not much of a beachy girl. I do live around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waterways, including the Atlantic Ocean. I got the Atlantic Ocean and 4 rivers and creeks around me, so we are definitely water people. Okay, we've got the beautiful pearl design. These are more of a minty green. They're not showing up so minty on the video here, but they are a minty green. Then we got the frame designs and the beautiful roses, the beautiful garden gate, which to me, this is just absolutely one of those pictures that when you look at it, it almost draws you into walking through that gate, that garden gate. And I would love to sit on that bench under that tree. So, you know, these are just vibrant, beautiful graphics in these in this series of the Tranquility kits. And I guess that's why I named it Tranquility, because that's kind of the feeling you get when you look at the pictures in this kit. And then last but not least is the window design in the lavender with you looking out to the water and then also from the garden inside to the house. So that is the 18 designs that are in the journal page kit. Okay, so next kit that we have is our background kit. So let's go over these. There's 18 pages of the background, 18 pages of this, making it so when you print these borderless, you can just simply flip these back over in your machine and then just print the background sheet so that you don't have any duplicates. Okay, the first one is a collage that is kind of a neutral collage. It's not showing up that well on my screen. I'm not sure how it'll show up on yours, but on the YouTube video when it's finished. But this has got just a slight hint of the mint green, and the polka dot over the corner is kind of greenish, but it's got a lavender mint hue to it. Okay, and then this is a deep lavender collage page. Shows up better in real print than these videos for some reason. I don't know if my camera's not the greatest in the world. I don't know what's going on. Okay, you got a blue gingham check. Then we've got the lavender gingham check. I think there's two there. Hold on a second. No, just my paper's kind of thick. Lavender gingham check. The minty green gingham check. Then we have a marbled green mixture here. Just a smear, page smear is what I call it. Then I have another of my collages, and this one I did in a kind of a green and lavender hues here. And then it's the exact same collage, but with a deeper lavender background and green here. It's kind of reversed. This one leans more to the greens, and this one leans more to the lavender. Okay, then we have the dotted Swiss in the blue. The dotted Swiss in the lavender. Then we have kind of a neutral cream and kind of tannish color here. Then we have a green dotted Swiss. Then we have a lacy lavender here. Peak. We have a neutral lace chic. This one is great anytime. You use this one over and over, and this one is a neutrally kind of lace. You can use this in any of your journals. These are very versatile backgrounds. You can use them in just about anything that you're putting together. Backs of your journal cards, backs of your tags, all kinds of things. Okay, then we've got the green lace background and the green coffee stain paper and that kind of neutral gingham check. So that's the 18 sheets of the background kit that's available in this kit. Now, I'll tell you something else I do. A lot of times, I actually print duplicates of the element kit. This is the element kit. The first thing you're going to see on the element kit are the mini pages that are small versions of the larger page. I use these in several ways. One of the main way I use these is I do cut these down and make journal cards out of them. They make a great journal card. The other way I use these is I will print extras of these and I will fussy cut elements out of the actual designs and use those in other places as just little highlights to my tags and my journal cards and things. Give me a 3D effect, but I will cut the elements out of these pages and make different types of clip art with them. So we're going to go through these real quick because they're exactly the same duplicates, but there's 9 pages of these journal cards slash extras that you can cut and make your clip art out of without having to go purchase extra clip art. That's a duplicate page right there, and I apologize. It looks like I have a few extras of the same. And I do that a lot. I do print a lot of extras. The printing kit will have extras in it if you buy a printing kit from me. But that's the 9 sheets of the mini pages. Then the other elements we're going to go into are our cards, pockets, and miscellaneous elements that we actually put in the book. Not just necessarily on the pages, but on the journal cards, etc. This one has a mixture of pocket and journal card or pocket. These can be used as pockets or journal cards. Any of your journal cards can be used as a pocket as well. You got a couple of flags and a little label here. Then we have 4 pockets on this one. These are the pockets that are used to kind of expand. You'll fold those down where the white lines are. You got some flags, some circles, and some labels here and some tabs. Then again, we're going back into more journaling cards here. Different size, but more journaling cards. Cannot never have enough journaling cards as far as I'm concerned. Then we got our frog, our green frog with the lavender flowers in the background. Then this is a variety of different size journal cards. You'll find as you're putting pockets and things together, you will come up with there's 100 zillion trillion sizes. And I know I just exaggerated a little, but there are lots and lots of sizes that you can use. So I did make one page with a lot of different sizes on it. This is my large tag. And again, let me re-emphasize this. You can actually print 2 pages of this. You can use this one by just adding a lined paper to the back. You know, if you watch any of my videos, I use a lined paper and I will add it to the back of the tag to make a very distinct journaling spot. Or you can just add a background sheet to the back of this one, to the back of the tag. Once you cut it out, just glue one of the background sheets and just have a pretty tag. It's up to you. But you can print a second copy of this, and you can take and make another copy of one of your journaling pages, and you can actually lay that on that and cut out another tag design and just glue it on top. So again, the tags are also very versatile. You're able to take just the style, the shape, and you can actually lay other pages of the journal on top of it and get a large variety of different tags. Same way here, you can actually take these tags here and just lay a journaling page on it, or you can take the mini pages and collage it. You can take backgrounds and mini pages and collage your tags. So there's a lot of versatility in just having a different shaped tags, and that's why I shaped my tags here differently at the top, so that you could use these tags to make a large variety of different styles. Again, you can take these tags, copy them, and make them into any other kit that you might have purchased from me or anybody else. You can actually lay over sheets or collage them and have beautiful variety of tags. We may do a mass make on these tags, and that may be exactly what I do. That's something I'll write down here. There's a possibility that we may take some of these tags, and I can show you some ways that they can be changed around. So that's the tags in the kit. And then in all my kits now, I am trying to put a matching corner sheet. You can print the sheet as many times as you need, and you can use these on the corners of your journal signature so that when the pages are getting flipped, they won't curl up. I found that these kind of sturdy up those corners. So that is my design of my corner tabs, and that, my friends, is the new kit that we have available called Lavender Tranquility. It is in the series of the Tranquility kits. We have Blue Tranquility, which is our original, has been our most popular design, the Blue Tranquility. We have Teal Tranquility, which to me is just absolutely beautiful. We have a Green Tranquility. This is this a deep, more of an, I'm not going to say olive green, more than not a minty green really. It's a spring green. I'm going to say it's more in the spring green color. It is available on Etsy. I think teal is. I'm not sure. I have to go back and look. We did magenta earlier this morning. We released it this morning. It is available on Etsy. And now the lavender. So we have 5 colors in the Tranquility series. So you can actually purchase all 5 kits and mix and match your book with the different colored Tranquility kits if you have a desire to do so. So that is our beautiful Lavender Tranquility kit. I hope you enjoyed looking at it. We absolutely love it. We're thrilled to death with the different colors in our Tranquility series. Hope you like it, and if you have any questions about them, please write it in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. I am really trying to build up my audience. I really want to get into some of the advertising with Etsy, with YouTube, and I really need you guys to boost me up. Share my stuff. If you actually watch another crafter, share some of my work with that crafter and tell them, hey, have you seen Nana K's stuff? Because I don't know everybody yet. I'm still getting used to it. So I really need my audience to be kind and share my videos and share my links so that I can build my subscribers. So please like, subscribe, watch my videos all the way through, and Nana K will keep putting this stuff out if you guys keep supporting me. Thanks a lot, and have a most blessed day. Nana K signing off now. Bye-bye.